Welcome guys! So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup every day just for school and running errands. First, apply some moisturizer to your face to protect it and also prep it for makeup. After that, apply some concealer underneath my eyes just to cover those dark circles so I don't look like a panda walking around school. And also some other marks that I have from acne and some redness around my nose. Just tap it all in. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, now to the eyebrows. First, I'm going to lightly draw a line underneath my eyebrows to shape it. And then from there, I will draw my tail. Once you have the shapes done, just fill it in, brush it up, brush it down, brush it up again to blend it all into your natural eyebrows. Same with the other side, nothing too crazy. Now onto the eyeshadows. First, I'm going to use this peachy milkshake color over my eyelid. After that, I'm going to put some reddish brown color on the outer corner to deepen my eyes. Blend, 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 blend. And don't forget your lower lash line, guys. Your lower lash lines. Okay, now we're going to highlight our eyes. I'm going to use this bright champagne eyeshadow to brighten my inner corners, and with the same eyeshadow, apply some on your brow bone and also the middle part of your eyelid to bring dimension to your eyes. Okay, with a dark brown eyeshadow, I just spoke myself. With a dark brown eyeshadow, draw a light line on your lash line so it appears thicker and fuller. And with a brown eyeliner, draw a tail because I want my eyes to look longer and more almond shape. Just draw a tail and then blend it all in with the brown eyeshadow. Same with the other side. Just with a light hand and use your pinky finger to rest on your face so your hands don't shake as much when you draw your eyeliner. Curl your lashes, apply some mascara. Don't forget your lower lashes. Apply some powder so you can set it all in and it won't smudge during the day. Apply some orange blush. Bring back some life into my zombie face. And lastly, apply some light highlighter onto your cheekbones and also your nose. Line your lips so with like a nude color just to bring some volume onto the sides of my lips. And last but not least, lipstick. Just apply like a neutral lipstick and then you're done. Dun, dun, dun. Hope you enjoy and hopefully see you soon. Bye.